Naija security don better pass the way I meet am. Na Presido Buhari talk this one. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say security, economy and corruption will be the three main concern of him administration don get better attention with ogbonge results sake of him vision to make Naija dey more peaceful, prosperous and reliable among other countries. He talked this one on Thursday, June 16 for the passing out parade of police cadets for Naija Police Academy for Wudil, Kano State. Presido Buhari come talk say for corruption everybody don see am say he don make sure say wetin happen for the previous administrations no go happen again. Say for security the new developments don show say even as challenges full ground e reposition national security to fit do their duties wella and we dey see am say improvement don tanda. Presido come yarn say to make sure say he modernize Nigeria police force, him admin don boost both international and local training and retraining of the officers to provide new platforms and other resources. Say this don make Nigeria rank go up for the World Counter-Terrorism Global Index from number 4 to number 6 position for the list of the countries wey terror dey pass. Buhari come talk say as dem don launch the police trust fund, better don dey for infrastructure as dem don construct new barracks for the country, renovate the old ones, construct medical facilities and then buy modern operational motos. He come talk say Boko Haram, IPOB, Eastern Security Network and other banditry wey don become better threat for some parts of the country don seriously go down and everything don begin go back to normal for the country. Buhari come congratulate the cadets of the 4th regular course wey dem take successfully finish their training, say na by courage, loyalty and integrity dem fit truly take get the trust and confidence wey dem deserve from the country. He come hail the commandants and the academic community for the ogbonge work wey dem take raise new generations of police officers wey go work to keep the country safe 24/7. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.